Alright, you unscrew the breech plug. Take the ammo.
And what do you use for ammo?
It's a 24-ounce Pepsi bottle.
Okay.
This one we taped the ring on here to make it fit a little more snug. Insert it into the breech. And you put the breech plug back in.
Okay.
You have the breech plug all the way in. The light should be green.
Now, what lights are these?
Okay, this is the indicator panel. The first one indicates that the recoil mechanism is all the way in the forward position.
Mm-hmm.
The second one is your tank pressure, indicates the valves in the right position. The third one is a recoil bypass. It helps push the system back forward. This fourth one is indicator for the regulated pressure on the recoil system. And the fifth one is your master air valve, on and off. The sixth one indicates when your breech is securely closed.
So you have to have all green before
all green before you're ready to fire.
Okay.
And then we have our firing mechanism.
Okay.
Okay. Once you have your round loaded, you open your pressure valve. Pressurize it anywhere from 80 to 100 pounds. Okay, once we've got it up to 100 pounds now, so we're ready. We have a green board, we're ready to fire. We've already adjusted the elevation in the traverse. You can see the target down there. Ready? Gonna fire. Well, we were over and to the right a little bit. And there we have it.